Okay, as you can see, I have a lot of cleaning products under here. So I am a hoarder when it comes to cleaning products. So what I was doing, I would just buy them and just set them under my sink. But today, I'm gonna organize this mess. Hello, my name is Diana and welcome back to my channel. So in today's video, I'm going to show you how I'm going to conquer this mess that's under my sink. This is a part of my house that I have neglected. So today, I am going to conquer this mess and get this mess organized. So let's get into it. So now you can see that everything is cleared out. I laid the contact paper back here. And so right here, I have a garbage disposal. It gives me some type of space right here. But over here where this pipe is so low, it limits my space. But back there, I have quite a bit of real estate. So what I think I'm going to do back here, I'm going to see how it looks first. If I don't like it, I'm going to take it out. But I have these little stands that I got from IKEA. I'm going to put back there with a bin. I'm going to see if I can stack some things up back there. So, okay, let's go. Okay, so what I did, I shopped my home and seen what I already had in my home before I went out and bought anything to go under my sink for organizations. So I'm always organizing, so I always have a whole lot of things. So here I have 3 containers here. Here I have some containers that I had bought from Target maybe like 7 months ago. So I'm going to use these, and then I have these that I bought from Amazon a while back. And I know I had the blue ones also. I just want to change it up a little bit. And I think I'm going to spray paint these white eventually anyway. I just like white because it's just clean. Okay, and so what I did over here, I grouped everything how I want to put it inside under the sink. So here I have all my disinfectants here. Here I have like my multi-purpose cleaners here. And then I have my dish liquids and hand soaps here. Okay. And then here I'm going to go ahead and organize how I want to put these inside these bins. So here I had my husband put this rack up. So here's what I use every day. So I use my Clorox wipes. This is Lysol. In here is the lavender scent. I love lavender. And this is Home and Planet, the lavender scent also. And then here I have some trash bags and I have my jet dry. Okay, so here I put my kitchen rags in here. I have my gloves here. I have my dishwashing pods here. And these last me quite a bit because I only use my dishwashing pods once a week. And then here I have some magic erasers. And I also have the ones, the name brand ones, and I have the ones from the drugstore. And I actually cut them in half so I can get more for my money. And then here I have some sponges. I have my stovetop sponges that I like to use for the stovetop. So I put that in there also. And then here I just have like a lot of like multi-cleaners here. So you can see. So I have these stainless steel wipes here, which I really prefer to use just this spray away glass cleaner. So once I finish using this up, I'm not going to buy these anymore. I'm just going to use my spray away glass cleaner. And then my favorite little thing is this Barkeeper's Friend. And I like that too, because I can use that for my stove and use it for my sinks. So back here, I have some cooktop cleaner and I have soft scrub. So the cooktop stove cleaner definitely was for the stove, of course. And then the soft scrub I was using to clean my sinks. But as long as I have the Barkeepers, that's all I need. And then here I have some more Home and Planet. I have the lavender and the rose. And then here I have Maya's peony. And then this, I love this stuff, this Method squirt and mop cleaner for my floors. It clean them.
What?
It causes them to get cleaned well. And it smells great. And then here I just have some Lysol. And then here I put on my dish soap and hand soap in here. I hope y'all enjoyed this video. Please like, comment, and subscribe. And please share the video. I need to get my subscribers up. Hey, I don't mind you talking about me, but don't forget to mention the good things. Thank you and have a blessed day.